which reading strategy focuses on getting the general idea of the text without reading every word. If you want to get the general idea, what is this? Is it letter A, scanning, letter B, skimming, letter C, summarizing, or letter D, paraphrasing? What is the right choice? This, of course, is under English. Ang tumpak na choice, of course, here is letter B. Tumpak po, congratulations! It is skimming. Now, what about the rest of our choices? Ang scanning naman po is when you are trying to see or locate a specific information. Kunwari, no, naghahanap ka ng phone number ng jowa mo. Nung dati pa po ito, na yellow pages pa. Or meron pa po tayong phone book, di ba? Dati po yan, no? Ngayon wala na tayong phone book. Nasa phone na lahat ng ating contacts. No? So, kung ikaw po naghahanap ng isang phone number, specific information, then you use the reading strategy that we call scanning. Scanning po yan. Pero basta gusto nating makuha yung general idea, that would be skimming. Summarizing, of course, is condensing everything na ating po nabasa. No? So, sinasummarize natin kung ano yung kabuuang nabasa natin. Ang paraphrasing naman ay nire-restate natin using our own words. Okay? So, letter B, skimming, ang ating pong tumpak na choice.